Hi, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Do you think word of mouth is dead? What I feel is word of mouth is very much alive and kicking, and it is more powerful than it ever was. But it has changed. Do you want to know how it has changed? Let's discuss that today. Let's first understand how traditional word of mouth works. Imagine you're not living in the year 2020, you're living in 2000, and you have a clinic in the same city you are living in right now. A patient comes to you, you have done the treatment for the patient is happy when he went back to his house, and after a few days, one of his friend was suffering from tooth pain. Our patient has recommended our clinic to his friend. Now his friend came to us, we treated him, he is also happy, he recommends us to some third person. So that is how the traditional word of mouth works, from one to two, second person, second to third person, like that. But this type of communication is little slow because it is one to one communication. And it is the usual mode of communication is either face to face or through phone calls. And this type of communication, if we want to reach around 1,000 people, you can imagine the number of days it will take to reach 1,000 people. So that is the drawback of traditional word of mouth. Now let's come back to 2020. Imagine you have a clinic right now in the clinic you are living in. When patient came to you, you did the treatment, the patient went back, he's happy and he wants to recommend your clinic to his friends. What he did was he uploaded an online review on your Google profile. Now, this online review has reached around thousands of your potential customers who are total complete stranger to your patient. Now, reaching like this, like one review has reached around 1,000 strangers. This is known as one to multiple kind of communication. This one to multiple communication is the new age word of mouth. The one single online review has reached around multiple people. The benefit of this is one, it is fast. Second, it is long lasting. Even if somebody is searching for us 1 or 2 years down the lane, they will find this review from our patient. That is the power of new age word of mouth. Now, if you are thinking that why would people believe a stranger's review, why wouldn't they? Even we did. Imagine you are going for a vacation in Manali and you are searching for a hotel there. One of the friend recommends you a hotel, but you want to search about that hotel, see some photos of that hotel, see the ranking and the reviews of that hotel, and then take an informed decision. So after searching and different hotels and seeing the reviews, seeing the photos, seeing the amenities which are there, you booked a hotel with all the discount coupons available and everything. Now this is how the modern day works. We need proof. We usually see the reviews, see the rating. The rating and reviews will be of total strangers, but we still believe it. And this is applicable to any field. For movies, we see the rating. For restaurants, if we want to order something, we'll see the rating. For ordering something on Amazon, we will see the rating. So everywhere it works, and the same thing applies to us also. For us also, the people, the potential customers, they will read the reviews which are there online, and then they will take an informed decision. So the new age word of mouth is the internet and the online presence which we have, the online reviews which we have. Now if you imagine, without internet, we can't even live a day without internet. When if WhatsApp is not there, the communication between me or us and our staff is hampered. A lot of things go for a toss. It's very difficult. So now, as internet has become an essential commodity in our life, same is the scenario of online presence. Online presence is very much required for our clinic because that is the new age word of mouth. So online reviews and online presence, that is more powerful and it is very much strong, and that will help us move faster and achieve our targets. It will help us become more successful and grow our practice at a very faster rate. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the feedback section how what are your thoughts on this topic. And if you want us to add you to our broadcast list, kindly send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our broadcast list, where we send our free materials and everything first to our broadcast list customers. So, but always remember to save our number if you want to receive our broadcast messages. Thank you so much.